Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to set up tips in Kecai, full guide. Open Kecai and go straight to Settings, then Payments and Tips. Toggle tipping on and verify your payout account. Choose default tip percentages, add custom amounts, and set a minimum tip if needed. Test the flow using a small transaction or preview mode to confirm tips deliver correctly. Save changes and notify your team so everyone follows the new process smoothly. Start by linking your preferred payout method inside Kecai so tips reach you without delay. Verify currency settings and whether tips are treated separately for tax reporting. If instant transfers are available, weigh the fee against faster cash access. Check that withdrawal limits and verification checks are complete to avoid blocked payouts. Finally, run a simulated tip to ensure the chosen payment path works and funds appear in the correct account. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit subscribe and like the video. It really helps. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life with great sound and handy voice commands, perfect for background music while you work on Kecai setups. I use it to play focus playlists and timers during setup sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Design the tip interface to be simple and persuasive while staying honest. Use preset buttons like 15%, 20%, and 25% alongside a custom field for unique amounts. Keep labels short and explain where tips go to build trust. Test layout on mobile and desktop to ensure buttons are easy to tap. Monitor tip uptake and adjust presets based on performance so you get the best balance of revenue and user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.